Hello everyone. So here I am today again with another strategy to score that how I scored 53 marks in paper 6 of CA intermediate examination, that is audit and assurance. So audit was a subject for which I took specifically coaching from the faculty named Kapil Goyal sir, and I took coaching from him because he's very famous for his practical knowledge what he gave in his lectures. So I wanted to have that at least, because from the beginning only I thought that I need to have a classes for the audit at least, because I want that practical knowledge by studying the theory, because it is theory, it becomes boring sometimes to study that. So first of all, I completed my classes from that coaching I took from Kapil Goyal sir. After completing the coaching, I started revising the chapters, and I would say that what the main thing in theory subjects and especially in audit is that when you have to fetch good marks in the examination, that you have to learn the keywords, because keywords are the soul of the answer, I would say. If you have a keywords in your answer will fetch a very good mark. Otherwise it will be considered as an average answer, and examiner will be like, okay, it is okayish, so he will give the okayish marks, average marks only. So if you are having a keyword in your answers, so it is well and good, and you may fetch very good marks. Like I have seen one of my, I would say, he's a kind of a mentor for me. He has scored 95 in audit. So I saw his video many times, that audit wala video I have saw many times, like how to score, like, because I wanted to score such a good marks. But what happened in my case is that I had revised all the things from the module itself. Even I took the coaching from the faculty, but I studied from the module totally. This is not to offend anyone, or it's a personal choice. So I chose to study from the study material directly, and because I wanted that keyword in my answer, because how ICI gives the marks is that they directly check the answer suggested answers, then directly match the suggested answers with the answer sheets in which we write the answer. So what I wanted was that key, I have to write the keywords. So I have to write the keywords. So but what happened in my case is that I the paper was like, I ended up doing very much silly mistakes, and paper was like I was not able to recall, sorry, I was not able to recall those concepts, those keywords. But I thought that it is not the paper has not came in my favor, so I think that I need to give my full whatever I have learned, and whatever the marks will come, I have to accept that. And it was a kind of a situation like what was mine taxation, like if I'll get the even 40.40, then also I have no grudges or no complaints to the ICI. So it was that situation for me in audit. What I did on 1.5 days revision is that I have just picked up the whole module of the audit, and went through from all the marked question, all the marked keywords. And after that I went for the recent RTPs and MTPs for the important question which I thought that need to be revised in 1.5 days. And also you have to plan that which question you have to study in those 1.5 days, and that I have already planned in advance for every subject. I would say that this question needs to be seen by me in 1.5 days, because those questions are used to be very tricky, that if you will not go through from them before examination, in 1.5 days, then it might be possible that you may forget, or you may not able to recall those questions in examination, and it will become the reason to lose the marks in the examination. So I did that, and after going through from the both of the module of the CA intermediate audit book, I went for the examination. And what happened in examination, you all, as I have told earlier, that how paper came in not in my favor, but I gave my best. That but MCQs were kind of easy for me. I was able to crack those MCQs, and the theory part was kind of like out of box for me. Like whatever the questions I read, I learned those were not there in the paper. So I wrote the general answer, like as per the general knowledge I had for the audit subject. So this was my strategy to score 53 marks in audit. I know I would have scored much, but the paper was like not paper. I would say I will not blame the paper. I would blame myself only, that I had not prepared those questions which came in the examination, and also I was not able to write all those keywords. But I just wrote the general answer, and I also marked some of the big words as a keyword, so that examiner would feel that yes, he had written some of the keywords. So that was all about audit paper. So with that note, lastly I would like to say, be a game changer in your life with what you have, what resources you have, in what situation you are. Just give your 100% and believe in yourself, believe in your efforts, whatever the efforts you are putting, and consistently try to be consistent. I would not say that you will study for whole 31 days in a month, but always try to be consistent, and be resilient. If you fall also, wake up again and give a push. With that you can achieve whatever you want, not immediately but definitely. So with that note, I am signing off. And if you guys have any query about audit subject, at how you completed your classes and what are the faculties you want as a suggestion, so you can comment down below in the comment section, or you can connect with me on social platform, for which link is given in the about section. With that, thank you so much for watching this video.